In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes to apply a perfect one. Manage this switcher to turn off or on key borders and hit apply. If you wish to customize your theme instead, go back to the same settings and click on this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!